If you're trying to grow a side hustle, you definitely know that time is money. On this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 productivity tools that can earn you money faster and smoother. Welcome to this channel where we discuss tech, finance, and how to grow your money faster. My name is Mary Huidono. I am a chartered accountant, a data analyst, and program associate at Cybersecurity Challenge Nigeria. Do well to subscribe to this channel so you can get tips on how to grow your money faster, get tech hacks, and finance tips. Yes, now the beauty of these 5 productivity tools is that you don't need to start with any card details. There is no commitment whatsoever, and you don't have to start with any down payments. Now, which means these apps are absolutely free. That is, they are free for you to use, especially at the basic level. However, some of them may come with premium features. I call these apps freemium apps. That is, they have free features as well as premium features. Freemium. Number one on the list is Canva. Whether you are a social media graphics designer or you're interested in creating your pitch decks or your calendars, Canva is an absolute lifesaver. Now, with Canva, there are over thousands of templates which you can start with. And for the free version, there are very good templates that save you hours of mental block, creativity block, or any kind of stress you may go through with your graphics designer. So you can delve right into using Canva right away, using the link in my description, and you can have access to the free features for a limited period of time. Now, the next tool we'll be looking at is Notion. Notion literally plans my content calendar, my daily activities, and business activities. On Notion, you can be able to create a proper plan. You can customize it to any way you want. I call this my second brain. I literally use Notion to create my content calendar, my daily task activities, and even client requests. Notion does it all for me. Now, on Notion, you can plan your videos, you can manage projects, and you can also track your income. It's a one fit all. Now, number 3, for project management, I would recommend ClickUp. ClickUp is basically having your Trello, Asana, and Google Docs combined. This makes your work seamless and easy. It is also highly recommended for freelancers and small business owners to manage project deadlines, manage client requirements, and interaction between your teams. And number 4, Grammarly. I understand that most of us already use ChatGPT, Meta AI, or Gemini to refine our English language. But how about you're writing a letter and you really want it to sound as humanly as possible and also as spotless as possible? Well, Grammarly is your best bet. They have free features that allows you to use the basic features on the Grammarly platform, and this helps you improve your writing skills and helps you to communicate better to your prospective clients, your prospective business investors, and to your staff. It basically checks your grammar and helps you sound more professional, even on WhatsApp business chats. And finally, is Payoneer. Now, this platform is your best bet if you want to earn internationally as a freelancer or a remote worker. So on Payoneer, clients pay you in USD and you can withdraw in your local currency. Plus, if you use the link in the description box below, you earn $25 for every $1,000 payment you receive. So those are my top 5 productivity tools you can use for your business right away. They save you time, they help you earn more money, and they help you manage your clients effectively. Now, do well to subscribe, like, and share a comment on which of these platforms you will try first. And if you have used any of them, do well to comment what your experience was like below.